Today we are going to discuss the task management within Utiliko. A task is a to-do list, but you could also relate that task to a ticket, opportunity, project, a client, lead, opportunities, and so forth. Think of this as your typical to-do list. You'll give it some priorities. You could track your time within the task, and more importantly, relate it to a ticket or opportunity so that you could create a series of steps that needs to happen in order to complete that specific project or the bigger picture. In order to create a task, you could just go to New Tasks here, or you could go on the shortcut and then click on New Task here. Enter the name. If it's related to a project, opportunity, etc., you can go ahead and select it. It will show you a list of your projects. If you relate it to a client, it will show you a list of all of your clients. Give it a start date, end date, a priority. You could assign it to a department and leave the status as not started, or if you have, you could change it here. And then you would just give it a description, and just as usual, you could assign it to yourself, everyone within the platform, or a custom permission to assign it to a specific salesperson or employee within the company. You could assign it to multiple people as well, just simply by clicking multiple users. If you do assign it to everyone, keep in mind that everybody within the department that you have assigned it to will be able to see that, not every single user within the platform. So let's go to a task. We're going to go ahead and open the view page. You will come into the task detail page. First thing you notice is that you have a start timer. I'm going to go ahead and hit the start timer. And actually it's asking me if I want to give it permission to track my location. I'm going to hit allow. Timers within Utiliko do keep track of locations, especially within the mobile app, so you could figure out if the user clocked in within the geographical boundary of the task or client or the address. Here in the detail page, you can see the due date on the top. If it's related to a ticket, it automatically relates it to the client for whom the ticket is created. So because we related that to this ticket, that ticket is for this client. So that information is also visible. If you click on the client name, it will take you to the client. If you click on the ticket, it will take you to the ticket. If you had related this to a project, this will simply be replaced with project or opportunities and so forth. You will see your statuses, your time tracking here. You could add a comment to it here. Just simply enter your comment and hit post comment. That will automatically post here. If you have anything to attach, you may attach it here. Your private notes will be anything within the company, so clients will not have access to view the private notes. Your timesheet will simply show you all of your times that everybody has clocked into the task, not just yours, but everybody who has access or clocked into the task. And then your activity is just simply the log of what has happened. And you have your responsible user assigned during the creation of task and your participant. You could add more participants and share this with other users. And if we actually go to the new task, you will see the responsible user, which is defined here during the creation of the task. As usual, you have your visibility icon here on the top right. You're allowed to make your own custom view. If you uncheck something, it will automatically be unchecked until you change it again. This view is only for you, and when you edit something here, it is only affected to your user ID. You can also change the status quickly here without having to enter the task specifically. So you could just cancel a task. It will automatically be removed from the list. You could mark it as complete, whereby it will automatically be removed again from the list. If you need to filter by other statuses, for example, completed or canceled, just do so from here, or you can also filter it by users there. This has been a quick summary of the task within Utiliko. We hope that you found the video useful.